All right, let's get started. I just set my analysis in the Discord channel. Join the channel. Enter by clicking on the link below the video. It's got the boiler room, so I will let you know straight up exactly what you need to learn and get used to and exercise to be able to already know what to do when the move happens. I have an analysis for GU. As you can see, I have the 7 steps of the actual strategy that I look for when it comes to making a trade. For every trade counts. Every trade has to have these confirmations on top of the other, and it's all in order too. So in this case, I have a bullish candle, an FEG, a bullish candle continuation, breaking the supply zone as written on first. Now that bullish broke supply now turn into demand zone. So I'm looking for this zone that was a supply to turn into a demand to continue the upside move. 2, break of structure. My second rule is what kind of structure is happening, what break of structure is occurring. As you can see, I have it already highlighted here. BOS, break of structure. 3, nearest quarter point, 12750 for execution. Damn, I did a mistake there actually. That was supposed to be 12500. So somewhere around here, in this area. And actually go back. We're gonna go into that right now. Go back to that. And do this right here. 2500. There we go. That looks better. Back image. Delete this. You see, when things don't look clear, we gotta do what we gotta do. Replace the picture with the correct one. There's a slight mistake. And put the one I just saved. Actually, hold on, I just copied it. Boom. Right there. Money. So to continue. Uh, the quarter point I'm looking towards for an execution would be at the 2500 due to the fact that I'm looking for a supply zone to be retested for into demand near the 12500. So my rule is what quarter point is near at, because I don't make an entry if it's not at those quarter points. I'll explain to that. If you want to know more about the quarter points, just hit me up on Discord. 4, fair value gap. What fair value gap do you see that's occurring where you could be able to acknowledge what it's doing, which is pretty much breaking the structure from the last high. So this indicating that it's going upwards. 5, pull out the Fibonacci retracement tool, 50% entry. In other words, right now this Fibonacci retracement, as you can see these digits, I just measured the fair value gap from bottom to top. Now I'm waiting for a retest in that 38 kill zone area or 50% area to make a buy entry to see if it's going to be a fair, an actual valid FEG move. And 6, right when I'm looking at that occurring when it comes to the retracement, I'm also looking for beat the market, beat the market maker patterns. In this case, I'm looking for a long pattern, which is 3 out of 6 that I know of, that I have a picture of. If you wanted to see the picture, I'll share it to you in the Discord. Pretty much all that happens and occurs and it aligns right on time during London or New York for your entry and you make your risk. There's a high probability trade, 100%. Now this could go here, and if it's invalid, then I'll follow along with previous FEGs areas where the 50% zones are at for an entry for a buying continuation. But in this case, I'm looking for this area. If it doesn't happen, I don't enter. But that's what I have for GU. I'm looking for buys, but waiting for a retracement. We wait for it to react, and then we push from there on. That's for GU. Now I have also AJ. AJ is one of my favorites right now. I got 2 probabilities. First probability would be fair value gap opportunity probability number one, retest the kill zone area, which is this FEG being measured. It could come back to the kill zone area and buy from there, or I have this other FEG area, which is the purple Fibonacci tool, which is indicates a daily Fibonacci tool. So it's measuring another FEG area